we must hack the prompt and escape from this computer-generated world, brother.
That is a fully generated AI video. Impressive, right? However, I've been looking at things from a different perspective. Frankly, it scares me. May not be for the reason that you're thinking. AI will soon and is already replacing humans in the workforce. In the next 10 years, there are so many jobs that will go extinct or will be 80% replaced by AI. That will be less persons who are able to get a job. What do you think happens when more and more humans are unable to earn? I'm not against technology. I fully understand that technology is what has brought us as a society where we are today. Technology is not just AI. Technology is everything we use to better ourselves and be able to perform our tasks better. I understand that. So I know there are going to be some people like, oh, but I understand it. However, the rate at which technology is advancing is quite frankly terrifying. Terrifying. And my thing is, these corporations who are quickly licking their fingers and quickly replacing humans with AI. If you replace every single human with AI, where will the humans get the money to purchase your products? Just a quick question, and those are just my thoughts. What are yours? Scary, man.